Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, everyone? I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Alhamdulillah, I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So now we are going to learn optative sentence. We know that optative sentence, wished or prayed sentence. This sentence says wishes and prayed. Okay, so what's the structure? What's the structure of optative sentence? May plus subject plus verb plus object, or you can say may plus assertive sentence. So he said to me, may Allah bless you. May plus reported speech, we can see may plus subject plus verb plus object. May subject Allah bless you, may Allah bless you, and object. Okay, so we can say this is a optative sentence. Other example, he said to me, may you be happy. May you be happy. You be happy is a assertive sentence, and may, we can see this is a optative sentence. So I do not make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook channel Flow. Okay, bye bye.